welcome back. It's your girl again. I hope you are doing well. You are welcome and thank you so much for clicking on this video. So guys, today we are going to be making tangerine juice and carrots. Okay guys, do you know what tangerine is? Tangerine is this small orange. I don't know, it's not orange, it's citrus, but you don't need a knife to peel it off. It is super cheap. Okay guys, today I wrote an exam and then on my way back I saw Angry Birds. Who does not love sales? So guys, I'm going to show you all this I bought for only €2. Normally this will go for €3, €4, but they had a sale and they are selling a bag like this for €1. So you know me now. Hey, I chattered it. Of course, I bought so many things today, guys. I bought mushrooms, I bought orange, everything on that table was €1. So I bought as much as I could carry. Okay guys, but today I have never tasted tangerine juice. Tangerine juice is also very natural because it's something that treats your acne, it's something that brightens up your skin from the inside, and it's something that has a very high level of vitamin C, and it will also work on your side. So if you are having eye problem, it will also help you to treat the problem. And also if you are someone who has digestive problem, this will also help you. And if you are someone who is also trying to lose weight, who is trying to eat clean, hey, these are things that will help you to stay healthy. So guys, come, let us go and make the juice. Do not click away, okay? The tangerine, this is the way it comes, and you cannot even use manual juicer to juice this without opening it. This is not like orange. The back is super soft, and this is the way it looks like. This is tangerine or mandarin. I think in German they call it mandarin, and this is the way it is when you open it up. So you start by removing the back, and once you remove the back, you get the fruit. You get the fruit. So to prepare this, I'm going to remove all the back from it so that I am able to get the juice. Guys, please do not juice this or blend this with the back, because the back is super thick, and I think you can use it to make tea if you want to, but if you are somebody that just wants juice out of it, try and remove the back of it. This is what I got from it. This is it, looking very nice. I'm going to be using my new Philip slow juicer. I have just gotten this juicer and I did a review on it and unboxed it, but I used on the review I used cucumber and lemon to try it for the first time, and it was amazing. ahead and test it. Hey, chop life. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you subscribe, make sure you share, and most important thing, comment, try it, and come and tell us how you felt like drinking it. You can see that my mood has changed after drinking that delicious juice. Thank you so much, guys, and do not forget to check out the link to purchase this amazing machine, amazing juicer. This is wonderful. I'm loving every bit of it. It is super easy to clean, and you don't have stress cleaning it. Thank you so much, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.